To add a gift card to the Sephora app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Sephora app, download it from the App Store and sign in to your account. If you are not a member, create an account to proceed. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu section, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to open the menu and select the option that says My Account or Account. In the Account section, look for the option that says Gift Cards or Add Gift Card. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the gift card. Enter the gift card number and PIN correctly, making sure to type in the correct numbers and avoid any typos. Once you have entered the gift card details, tap on the Add Gift Card option to add the gift card to your account. After adding the gift card, you can view the balance and use it to make purchases on the app. To use the gift card, proceed to the checkout section when making a purchase and select the gift card as your payment option. You can also use multiple gift cards and combine them with other payment methods to complete a purchase. It is essential to note that gift cards cannot be used to purchase other gift cards or e-gift cards. When using a gift card on the Sephora app, make sure to check the balance before making a purchase to avoid any issues during checkout. Also, ensure that the gift card is not expired, as expired gift cards cannot be used to make purchases. By following these steps, you can easily add a gift card to the Sephora app and use it to make purchases. The Sephora app allows you to manage your gift cards and use them conveniently, making it easier to shop for your favorite beauty products.